Good day and welcome to the Gulf News Update for Sunday, April the 9th. Here are the top stories at this hour. The US Navy said on Saturday it had sent a carrier-led strike group to the Korean peninsula in a show of force against North Korea's reckless nuclear weapons program. The move will raise tensions in the region and comes hard on the heels of a US missile strike on Syria that was widely interpreted as putting Pyongyang on warning over its refusal to abandon its nuclear ambitions. Residents of the Syrian town devastated by a chemical weapons attack on Tuesday said warplanes had returned to bomb them, despite a US missile barrage and warnings of possible further response. Eyewitnesses and a monitoring group, the Syrian Observatory for Human Rights, said on Saturday that fresh attacks on the area, now a virtual ghost town, had killed one woman and wounded several others. Teenagers in the UAE are buying pain relief spray, easily obtained from pharmacies in many Emirates, for a cheap, low-cost high, federal health authorities warned on Saturday. But using the spray as a happy high carries dangerous side effects, and its abuse is causing devastation to health and social life, the ministry warned. Abu Dhabi's property market is starting to see sell-offs, and it's not just by the developers alone, according to the latest Abu Dhabi real estate update. Investors who bought from off-plan launches in the last 2 years are putting these up for sale in greater numbers, but thankfully there aren't that many distress sales happening. Calling all thronies, wondering what season 7 of Game of Thrones has in store for you? Well, Liam Cunningham, who plays Sir Davos Seaworth on the hit HBO show, says the answers lie in the official first trailer. In Dubai, attending the Middle East Film and Comic Con, Cunningham spoke about the upcoming season, literally giving nothing away, but also enough to make the wait all the way until July 16th even more unbearable, if that was possible. And finally, the weather. Today's high across the UAE will be 41 degrees Celsius, dropping to 17 degrees at night. That's all for now. Thanks for watching. And as always, you can get the latest news at gulfnews.com.